Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you some tips about how to fix sorry you have been blocked error for any website. So let's start. First let's go to Google and then let's go to our three dots in the right side. So let's click there and let's go to our extension option and then manage extension. Here you can remove any extension that is causing this trouble. This is the first tip. The second tip also it's go to the three dots in the right side, then let's go to settings, and then let's go to privacy and security. Here let's go to delete browsing and data. Let's click here and you can delete all browsing and data using on Google Chrome. That's hour, that's 24 hours, 7 days. So in this case let's click let's 24 hours and then let's go to delete that. This will help to Google Chrome to work better. Also, you can check if your Google Chrome has an update. So you have to go to the left side and click here in About Chrome and check if the Google Chrome updating is done. In case that is not done, just click in Update and wait until it's finished. So in this way, probably you will fix this problem. I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this